Have you ever wondered how people are creating viral AI videos with millions of views without filming anything and without even showing their face? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create faceless viral AI videos directly from your phone using just a few simple tools. And the best part is, you don't need any editing experience to do this. Let's dive in. Alright, so the first step is generating a strong image prompt. For this, we're going to open ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, we'll ask it to create a detailed AI image prompt for the type of video we want to make. The reason we do this is because a good prompt helps the AI generate more cinematic and high-quality images. So let me show you the exact prompt I'm going to use.
I'm here to ChatGPT, okay? So this is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is another AI which you can create image, you can give us a script, you can do all these things. You can even create a video for you. Okay, so in this case, I come here to ChatGPT. I ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt for image, which we're going to use this image for our video. When we're going to create a video in CapCut, we're going to use this image. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt for a video. Like here, you can tell him, give me prompt image for this video about, you say the topic, what do you want to create, which kind of video you want to create. So in this case, I tell him to give me a video about how to attract money with a 5-5 manifestation technique. Okay, so he give me this image, this 5 prompt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this prompt, we're going to create image for us. We're going to use image. This is going to be next step. And if you don't have CapCut, you don't have ChatGPT, go to your app store, type ChatGPT. You can download, you can install this app. It's free. Sign up with them.
Now that we have our prompt, the next step is to generate the image. For that, we're going to use Grok. All we have to do is paste the prompt we created earlier, and Grok will generate an AI image for us. This image will be the visual scene for our video. You can also generate a few variations so you have multiple scenes to work with.
Okay, let me show you the next step we're going to do. We're going to go to App Store and type Grok AI. Okay, so once you type Grok AI, you're going to install Grok AI. This AI is going to help us to create image, to use our image in our video. Okay. So it's already finished to install in my phone. So I'm going to click here, open. Now we need to sign up with them. Okay, so now we are in Grok AI. 1, 2, right? So now we are in Grok AI. Come here, imagine. Okay, so here, see here, this is where we're going to create our image. So we're going back to our ChatGPT. We're going to copy our prompt, which is this one here. Okay, so I'm coming here, ChatGPT. I'm going to copy my face prompt. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going back to Grok AI. This is Grok AI here. I'm going to paste this one here. Yeah, here, imagine. So I'm coming here. I'm going to paste here first. I'm going to paste my prompt. Okay. Now I'm going to choose here. We want to create image. This is image. Okay, and here we're going to choose aspect ratio. Here you can choose 9:16, but in this one we want to choose 16:9 because it's long form video. Duration is 6 seconds. Because if you want, because this is free version, if you want 10 seconds, you need to pay. You need to upgrade for paid one. But we're going to choose 6 seconds. And video resolution, choose this one, 480. If you want 720, you need to pay for this. You need to upgrade for the paid one. So that's fine. Okay. So now everything's done. Now we come here. We click this one. It's going to start to create our image. Okay, so our image is done here. See this image? So you can choose which one you want, which one you think is is good for your video. Let's choose this one here. This one will look nice here. This one here. Okay, and once you finish this one, just click here, download, and this video is going to be in your phone. So I'm going to do to all 5 prompt one by one until I finish them all. Okay, so this is our last prompt. Just click download. It's going to download in your phone. You come here, you click, just click this one here, click download. Okay, so this is image, but you can use this image, you can make as a video. So if you want to make this as a video, click here, make as a video, and it's going to make a video for us. So you can use both way. You can create image or you can make video, and all this is free for now. Grok AI for now, for this version, is free. You can have 6-second video. If you want to go to 10-second, you have to upgrade for paid one, but this one is free one, 6-second video. So that's how video look like. It's very fast, it's very quick, and when you finish, click here, download, and your video is going to be downloaded in your phone. Now this is the second step. Now third step I'm going to show you now. We're going to CapCut. Okay,
now let's bring everything together and turn these images into a video. For this step, we're going to open CapCut. Inside CapCut, we'll import the AI images we generated and start building our video. Let me show you exactly how to put everything together.
Okay, so here is I'm in App Store. So if you don't have CapCut, go to App Store, type CapCut, and CapCut will come up here. So install in your phone, because I already installed this CapCut in my phone. That's why here it shows open. So I'm going to click here, open. So come here to edit. Okay, you can come here, all tools. So when you click this one, everything will come here. All this one here, they all up here, because CapCut, they always change their stuff, their apps. So the things I might show you here today, maybe in a few months to come, they already change. So here we're looking for script to video. So we click this one here, script to video. So here we go to option. One option is write your own script or use AI writer. So in this video I want to show you can use AI writer. So we come here, click other. So once you're here, now this is the place where we're going to type our idea, the video we want to create. We're going to type here. So just give me just a title for the video you want to create, and he's going to elaborate your script for you. So here in this video we're going to say how to attract money with let's change it, with 555 okay manifestation technique. Okay, so this is if you are in Faceless YouTube channel about personal development, about law of attractions, about manifestations techniques. So you can type like this, and once you finish here, click here, generate a script. So it's going to generate a script for us for this video. See, it's very quick and it's already finished now. You see this one here, it creates a script for us. Please read, because this is AI, sometimes you get it wrong. So you need to come and read here your script, and if you are not happy in any point, the things is missing, or you want to add something, come here. You see this arrow here, click this one here and add. You can edit, you can click here and edit anything you want to edit here. You see here, you can edit anything you want to add, you want to remove anything, and once you're happy, you finish, click done. and this one is going to be ready here. Now here we go to option how to generate. These two options, smart generation and local material. Smart generation means generate video with material from CapCut. This means we're going to ask CapCut AI, they can generate this video with their image and video. So they're going to match our script. According to our script, they're going to add image, they're going to add video for us. That's what this means. And another one here is local material. Generate video with material on your device. This means you already have material, you already have your image, you already have your video you want to use for this video. So if you click this one, you're going to add your own, and if you click this one, smart generation, they're going to create for you. But I have noticed that before, when you click this one, smart generation, there was creating video. They're going to add video, they're going to add clips for you, image for you. But now for some reason CapCut is changed, they're not doing that anymore. So that's the reason why we started to create our image ourselves first in Grok AI. If you can remember, we started that was our second step. First step we went to ChatGPT. It gave us a prompt for the image we're going to use for this video, and second step it was we went to Grok AI, which they create a video for us, they create image for us to come to use in this video. That's the reason why we did that. So now, even if I click here smart generation, let's see if it's going to create for us. If we add image, that will be nice for us. But if it doesn't add image, we're going to add our own image, because we already create our own image and our own video. Okay, you see this is our video. Our video is ready. You can see here is blank. This means they didn't add any image, but we already have our image. We can do this ourselves. Okay, let me play a video. You can listen to it.
Welcome. Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things, but the abundance you desire just isn't flowing your way? Today, we're diving into a fascinating technique that many people find incredibly powerful.
Okay, so this is very nice. This video is already nice. They already give us, they add music, they add voiceover. This is just brilliant. So the next step we need to do here now, we need to replace. You see here, tap to replace with your own material. So we need to click this one here. Now we go to option here. We can here, for example, like this one here, we come here, replace, we come to replace. So we had our image here, we download. Let me have a look here. This is video. We want photo. So our first photo was this one here. Let's add this one here. Okay, so this is already our image. So you come here, the next one here. Now we're doing manual. You come here, replace. You come another one here, replace. So you do for all of this until you finish the whole video. Okay, so let me show you. Once you finish this one, come here. Okay, so here let's play our video.
Welcome. Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things, but the abundance you desire just isn't flowing your way? Today, we're diving into a fascinating technique that many people find incredibly powerful for shifting their financial energy. The 500.
Okay, you see how nice the video look? It look very nice. So when you finish this, now if you want to edit more, you can click here, edit more. You can click here, edit more, and you can go there and add more. Let me show you. Let me edit more. You can see. Okay, you see here now, once you come here, you can change anything you want. You can change text. If you want to change text, you can add effect. It's up to you. You can do everything you want. You see all this down here, you can change everything here. You can change background, you can change aspect ratio. You see here, you can change aspect ratio if you want, because this is long form video 16:9. You can do 9:16. All this you can do from here. Okay, and once you are happy,
okay, so this video is nice, is perfect, is free. Everything is done for you. Now once you finish here, you are happy with everything, click here export. Okay, click here export, and your video is going to be ready for you to use in your YouTube channel.
And that's how you can create faceless viral AI videos directly from your phone. As you can see, the process is actually very simple once you understand the steps. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more about creating viral AI content and making money online with AI, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.